And as Albert Einstein rightly said, everybody is a genius. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. So if you are a fish, would you climb a tree or would you swim in the vast ocean? That's up to you to decide. Hi everyone, there are always different ways of looking at things, isn't it? One way is staying positive and optimistic irrespective of the outcome. The other way is, needless to say, perceiving fear, negativity, self-doubt, and questioning our ability just because we couldn't do well in a particular task. If humans, that is you guys, were to be perfect in everything that you do, there would be no such negativity maybe, isn't it? No way. Even in that case, there would be more than perfect expectations and you guys still perceive negativity. At least that seems to be the trend based on my current observations. In the context of recently declared AIIMS results, this is what I'm hearing often, and I quote, "Feeling depressed, feeling bad, I'm incapable, I'm no good at all, I lost all hope, and believe me, I can go on and on and on." So it seems that an exam result is deciding your ability, your capability, who you are, what you are, and most unfortunately your fate as well. Is this what we all want at the end of the day? So it's basically like a lottery. No offense whatsoever, but do you think only those few who secure seats will be the most successful, satisfied, and happy people on the planet? And rest are all deemed to fail, suffer, and die? Do you think that's how it works? I'm trying not to give you any solace by uttering these words. On practical level, what really matters is your attitude towards your journey. Right attitude will enable you to develop necessary skills in your own areas of interest, thus enabling you to seek a fulfilling life. No rat race. No unhealthy competition, no stupid comparisons, no dependence on a result to decide your fate. If you're smart enough, just like me, accept the reality, give your best, and progress by choice, not by chance. Also check out the following video and see why you should not compare apples and oranges. And as Albert Einstein rightly said, everybody is a genius. But if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid. So if you are a fish, would you climb a tree or would you swim in the vast ocean? That's up to you to decide.